I've been riding Triumph Tiger 660 for a couple of years now, and over that time I learned about what it can and can do. I've shared all my thoughts on my channel. You can check out the dedicated playlist if you're interested. Recently though, Triumph introduced the Tiger 800 Sport, which seems like a solid upgrade to Tiger 660 with improvements in several key areas. Naturally, I had to check it out at EICMA to see if it's true replacement for 660 and where it fits in Triumph's lineup, considering the Tiger 660 and Tiger 850 are still around. Let's start with the Tiger 660. It is still one of my favorite motorcycles in its class. This bike is so versatile that almost any rider, young, old, experienced, or a total beginner, will find something to love about it. Its design is modern and appealing to a wide audience, and it's an excellent choice for anyone focused on road use. The Tiger 660 is affordable, packed with all the essentials by today's standard, and can handle anything from daily commutes to long trips, but like every bike, it's not perfect. For instance, the front suspension lacks proper adjustability. It can feel soft at times. While the front brakes are decent, they occasionally feel underpowered. There is no cruise control, which is missed opportunity on a touring capable bike, and the seat position is good, but I've personally never found the seat shape comfortable, though other riders seem fine with it. Overall, Tiger 660 is a great bike that does it all except off-road. When the Tiger 800 Sport hit the market, it seemed to address all the shortcomings of the 660 because it comes with a more powerful 800cc engine delivering 115 horsepower, great for touring, especially 2-up. It shares the same spacious luggage setup as 660, which I think is very well organized, and beyond that, it ups the game with fully adjustable suspension, better brakes, improved wind protection, and a full electronic suite including lean-sensitive IMU and connectivity features. The seat is more comfortable too, by the way. On paper, it looks like more capable and more mature tourer, but when I saw the bike in person at EICMA, I noticed that it's not much bigger than 660. It's slightly wider in some areas, but overall it feels like the same platform. While it does seem like a better touring machine than the original 660, I still think it's a bit small for comfortable 2-up travel over long distances. This brings me to a little bit bigger question. Where does the Tiger 800 Sport fits into the Triumph lineup? It sits between Tiger 660 and Tiger 850, but things get tricky here. Touring bikes are becoming popular thanks to models like Yamaha Tracer 7 and 9 or Honda's NC750 and NT1100, and it feels like Tiger 660 and 800 designed to target this segment, offering solid performance on highways, twisty mountain roads, and everyday commutes. The Tiger 850 Sport, on the other hand, feels a bit out of the place. It has an adventure bike look but is entirely road focused, lacking some of the modern features you'd expect. It's fine for riders wanting a simple, utilitarian bike, but it doesn't really stand out in either touring or adventure categories, and I wouldn't be surprised if Triumph eventually phases it out. So how does the Tiger 800 Sport stacks up against the competition? I'd say its closest rivals are Yamaha Tracer 9 and BMW F900 XR. Both are likely a bit more capable and refined than Tiger 800, but also more expensive. And that's my take, but I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. Let me know in the comment sections below what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!